If somebody's new and they don't know what Q4 is yet, Q4 is, as the songs go, it's the most wonderful time of the year.
Saved a lot of time, made a lot of money, had my best year ever. You're watching the video for, sign up.
It'll make you probably double or even triple what you've done in Q4s in the past. I would say.
What was your favorite part of the Cheddar Black program in years past?
Just to have more data in pipeline is more leads, more coupon codes, more opportunities.
They're good leads. They just are. Competition was not an issue with any of them. They all sold. I got a few replens out of it.
Part of my favorite thing about being on Cheddar Black was the fact that it was on a platform where I could easily manipulate all my data.
The lead flow is great, and like I said, not everything wasn't just seasonal either. Right?
Yep.
I really like the fact that there were some things that were going to be, evergreen.
The Cheddar Black Messenger, the chat room that we have in Facebook is awesome too, because we collaborate a lot with ideas there.
How valuable is it for you to have a team of lead gens sending you pre-vetted product leads throughout Q4?
It's a huge time saver.
It's amazing because Q4 is so busy out there doing a lot of RA, so it's good to have.
It's immeasurable. I've been an Amazon seller for 3 years, and before Cheddar Black, we were hit and miss. And we tried to keep sourcing all the traditional methods that everyone is out there trying to use. I tried VAs. It was very inconsistent, right? So Cheddar Black brought me consistency.
I wouldn't have a business as do without those pre-vetted lead gen data driven, leads.
How much time do you believe Cheddar Black saves you during Q4?
Oh my gosh. I've already done analysis of my VAs doing manual sourcing versus leads list sourcing, and it's hours saved each day.
I would say it probably saves at least an hour or two a day.
Compared to previous years, with Cheddar Black, I would say I save about 4 hours on a daily basis.
For me, it probably saves me at least 3 hours a day.
Based on your previous experience as a Cheddar Black member, how much estimated profit do you expect to make this year?
Q4. So based on what we did last year, and just in Q4, I would say we're looking to make north of $75,000 in profit.
Last year was my first year in over 8 years where the fourth quarter was gangbusters, primarily due to your leads. Out of the leads that I used, it generated over $8,400 in profit.
What would you say to someone who is new to OA Cheddar and on the fence about joining Cheddar Black?
You can't go wrong. You just can't. Once you've done it, you'll be going, this is a no-brainer. Saved a lot of time, made a lot of money, had my best year ever. You're watching the video for, sign up.
Oh, I would jump in with both feet.
I kick myself every year that I didn't do it that first year because we blew up once we had more data.
The leads that you guys provide are really top notch. You deliver what you say you're going to deliver, even over and above that at times.
Before Cheddar Black, like I said, we struggled for 3 years. And now we can actually say, hey, we have a business. Don't miss out on the opportunity. If you're on the fence, this is the time to jump in.
I can't say enough about just jump in and grab it.
Awesome.
But do it after I do it.
Can't recommend it enough. It's just, and that's normally I don't say that kind of stuff. I keep pretty quiet about it.